got a pretty fair football team called West Virginia up here somewhere. Anyway, I'm pretty proud to be here. I've had so much fun doing entertaining here at the Civic Center. Going to my friend Joey's for years, the barbecue place. And Marriott, Milwaukee, a lot of great memories. Charleston's a great city. I'm honored to be here. We're having a big time today. Thank you, Mayor. Thanks so much.
Sir, I've followed your career for 22 years.
I'm honored to meet you.
Thank you. I appreciate everything you've done. You've been a big inspiration.
Thank you.